Okay, today we're in the garage with the CRX to find out if the Alpha radiator that is for the CRX does in fact fit with the innovative traction bar. I've read that it does, I've read that it doesn't, I've read that it needs a little bit of modification. We're gonna pull the radiator, stick this in there and see how it fits. So as you can see, the radiator is out. I'm not sure exactly why the innovative traction bar would be a problem. As you can see, that's the mounting hole. This isn't really in the way of anything. Let's see how it fits in there. So at first glance, this doesn't seem a lot higher than what was already there. It definitely could be a little higher. So the question is, can I close the hood? So I have this side loosely bolted so that you don't have to hold it. And then I'm gonna do this very stupid test of setting a peanut here and slowly closing the lid, the hood, and seeing if the peanut gets squished or how squished it gets. Very scientific. So the peanut squished, but it's not like gone. It didn't like have to smash it flat and fly it all over the place. So I think I could actually close it all the way without the peanut. Let's try it. For my next scientific experiment, I have a piece of painter's tape on there. Ho-ho. Doesn't look like it's touching. I think I'm good to go. Radiator doesn't come with its own fan, so we're gonna swap this over. So there you have it. Does it fit? Yes. Does it require any special modifications? No. Should you ignore the reviews on Amazon that say otherwise? Absolutely. And should you follow and subscribe for more CRX Honda content? Definitely.